So from there, working it just as an individual jurus, you can work your shapes. You can see there are several elements to that. Striking, which is donjok, the actual blocking, retreating or carrying motion itself, which is Kelid. And then from there we can do that in a simple partner drill. So we'll come side position. Okay, Cliff, you're going to feed me. So here's the first motion. From here, I'm slipping with the straight punch, which Cliff is parrying. From there, the second part is I'm taking, I'm rolling. And this is just up to the first bit of it. Striking and then pulling through. Okay? We're not doing it for one. Again, so block, strike, take, roll, turn. Now we're going to do it, we'll work from a side position, now we do it from a front position. So come, take it, yeah? Yeah. Turn. I'm going to feed you. Yeah. Yeah. Turn. Okay, so another aspect that we have in terms of training development is the use of pads. Now, in traditional silat, you don't see too much of the use of pads. Maybe in the more modern olahraga, which is the sports silat, they'll be using a lot of pad work. But in Anyar Cimande Buhun, which means new Cimande from the old, while I maintain the old elements, the old Jurus, some of the old training principles, I do also think being in the 21st century we need to have some impact training and just use some modern tools that have obviously been shown to be super effective in arts, brutal arts like boxing, like Muay Thai. So I believe in the use of pads. Good. One more. And switch. Two. Take that from the front stance now. Three. Moving on the stance as well as you see me coming in. There we go. Good. So you're closing that space down for me. 5. Good. So you can see pads maybe have some MMA style mitts or something to protect all of the knuckles, and you don't want to get too much chafing or broken knuckles when you're hitting these pads hard. But you can see that's one element of it that we can use with that. Now just very simple, I'm just going to come in to an outside strike, and then Cliff, what he'll do is he'll just slip and then come for the second one. This time, come in with the block and then take that into an elbow, okay? Good. Okay, so we'll come in. Still using Kelid. Just moving. Again. Switching sides. Slipping into your forward position. Good. If you want, yeah. Or he can vary it as well. So there's many possibilities. He can follow up with the first block. Whatever he decides to do on the second block, it's entirely up to you. Principle based, however the range or distance is going to determine what the follow-up strikes are going to be. So, while this doesn't necessarily look perfect, what it will do once you've got someone competent that's holding the pad and being able to feed the person who's practicing the jurus, is that it will help them to open up and rip a little bit of power into it. Because what happens a lot with silat, you see, is that there's either training to thin out, or there's training to a partner, but there's no actual impact it on with the partner, so there's always a break in the motion. This just helps to develop a little bit of power, well, that's really important, some accuracy as well, and you can really rip some shots in, which helps your striking and your knockout ability as well. So that's a way that you can use pads just to develop this jurus.